these are so vicious. Look at them go. Look at them go. Oh my god. What the hell? They're so bloody vicious. Wow. Have you seen them? Oh my god. Yeah. That's really bad. Like, they dropped off the air.
Did you see him fall?
Oh, they... oh my god!
Oh my god, I can't watch this. It's horrible.
Go. I'm putting bets for the one on the left.
Yeah. Not like viciously hitting it with its wing.
Oh, that is.
I want to go help it because that's mean.
They've got the beaks locked or something.
I don't know because they came apart, didn't they, at one point? Look at all the dust. I don't know if they're just stuck or what.
Should we chuck them some bread?
Just stirring at them. It's not fighting, maybe.
Hey!
I think they are stuck.
Are they stuck? Yeah.
What does Mum say?
Shouldn't have chucked what?
What? Why are you in my room? No, you're not off time for the window. We came through there.
Oh, what?
Yeah, they're not stuck.
No, they're just lazy.
They're
just lazy.
I think that was off the roof. It's gonna twist its neck. They are coming apart, aren't they? That didn't do anything.
What? Should we run at them?
No, because they'll attack us.
No, they were. They're not the beds.
I feel sorry for the one. Is it? I've run out of things.
Oh, they stopped! They stopped!
Just close the window.
They're back. Oh my god, look at them.
No, we'll get Mum to. What's it doing now?
What?
They're biting each other. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Just close the window and look.
Oh my god. Ah! This is horrible.
Why are they fighting in our garden?
Go and fight somewhere else.
Yeah, you kind of run out of things to throw at them. That didn't work. Oh my god, there's another one watching. There's a pigeon. There's a pigeon.
They're everywhere.
Oh, you saved the seagull's life.
Woo! Woo! We've got a pet
Now it's
seagull.
looking for it. Now it's angry.
Oh no.